Looks like a brick paver. Ouch. Feels like a brick paver. Even smells like a brick paver. But this is Ecopave. It's going to let the water go through the paving into the subsurface, saving our stormwater and our local creeks and rivers. So let's have a closer look at it. All right, here's the paver in my hand. You can get it in 50 mil and 80 mil. Unless you're driving semi-trailers on it every day, 50 mil is perfect for a driveway. It's got the little lugs on the side so you can see in the paving where there's this large gap between the pavers. It makes them easy to lay because you can butt them up, but when you're finished, you've got that nice void. And the corners cut out, well, that's the biggest space for more water to go into the ground. You can see them here. It's a beautiful paver and it looks great down. But when it comes to laying, it's a slightly different job. Normally you'd use concrete and paving sand, hit it with a whacker, screed it and pave. Where here you use no fines concrete. You can order it off your concrete supplier. It just means it doesn't have sand in it. When it dries, it's kind of like blue metal, but with all the gaps in between it, but it sets hard so you can drive on it. And then over the top, rather than paving sand, use a product called Tarago. Now, I get mine through Australian Native Landscapes, put that on about 30 mil and screed it exactly like you would any paving sand. When the job's finished, rather than sweeping a fine sand into it, sweep 5 mil aggregate like this. It looks great, it fills up the holes, you sweep off the excess, and the water can permeate through the pavers into that subsurface. It's a great paver that looks smart, and I don't understand why more people don't use it.